Okay, y'all, so the video did cut off. I didn't realize that I had that many long videos still in my storage, so I deleted those, and we're back at it. So let's go ahead and finish it. I'm not going to do a lot of talking. I'm just going to get right to designing. I've already put the shelf on the back. We have the platter here. We're going to be using our beautiful, beautiful Dollar Tree cup. I'm going to put that in the middle. We're going to be using our hand soap. This is found at Dollar Tree and Dollar General. Of course, I would suggest you get it from Dollar General, where it is $1 on the dollar aisle. We're going to be using our Yardley spray, body spray, and our Yardley lotion. And what else do we have here? I was going to use my white sandals, but I'll use those in the other one. So we'll just use this. Okay. And just like that, we got a quick basket created. We're going to go ahead and tape our items one to the other. That's that. As y'all can see, your girl is going to have a lot of purple gifts this year. Somebody in the comments was like, have we won you over with the purple yet? I'm like, I love designing with purple, I ain't gonna lie. But it's still not my color of choice. I love it for y'all though. I love it, I love it, I love it for y'all. But it's still not my color of choice. I love what it stands for. Royalty. But yeah, it's not definitely not a personal color favorite of mine. But baby, whatever color gets the coins, okay? Whatever color gets the coins. Of course, some people don't have a preference with the color. They just want a beautiful gift. But then you got some people like, oh, her favorite color is purple. Her favorite color is red. So those colors that I've heard over and over, you know, very seldom anybody come busting up there saying, her favorite color is brown. You know, I told y'all that was my favorite color at one time. As far as like personal wear, like when it comes to purses and stuff like that, I would prefer brown over black. When it comes to shoes, I would prefer brown over black. But excuse me, y'all. I'm burping and still talking. I'm sorry. As far as color, I love all kinds of colors. Like I like bright colors. Bright colors. So now I don't even know what to tell a person my favorite color is, because I've just fallen in love with colors. I've always loved colors, but now it's like, oh wow, like I love this, I love that. Really falling in love with the green, as you can see. Again, this is another 360 gift. Oh no, I'm still, why am I thinking I already got the bow made? Let's do the bow. So we're gonna use, what do we want to use? This. I may use this for this one as well. Maybe. Let's try these two colors. I was gonna go with the butterfly, but let's do this because I got quite a few with the butterfly ribbon. Let's switch it up a tad. right, y'all, and there's our bow. We're going to try to get to our third basket, y'all. We're going to see. This video may be broken up into 2 segments. I will not know until I start editing, so we'll have to see. So if you're catching this video and it's like I just started talking in the middle of the video, you'll know why, because I had to break it up. I may try to edit it where I'm not able to tell. But I can tell y'all that the girl is getting a little bit sleepy. I could go on and push it on out and just have an early night, but I went to the gym earlier today, but I want to go back because it was getting a little bit crowded. And I wasn't able to get on a few of the machines that I really wanted to get on. So I worked out for about 40 minutes, but I really want to go back tonight. Well, my birthday is on the 28th. And I want to tone up a little bit more before my birthday. Those that's been following me for a while know I've lost almost 100 pounds naturally. I've kept it off for 10 years. And now I'm just kind of getting back into pushing myself to try to tone up even more. I've been consistently working out over the last 10 years, but I've just been doing enough, you know, for the last few years, just enough to maintain. But now I'm trying to amp it up a little bit. Finish toning my stomach up and my back area. And anything else that needed, my arms need to be toned up a little bit more. I love the look of those platters in the middle of those baskets. Of course, if you didn't get these pretty colors from Hobby Lobby, you can always pick up some at Dollar Tree. And it's holiday season is upon us, so roses in different stores, they have them in all different colors as well. You can find them in a lot of stores. You can find them in Hobby Lobby, but you're just not going to find them for 90% off like I got these. So I always buy them, you know, of course, when they're 90% off. We're going to do the ducktail ends on these. All right, there's our bow for this one. I think that came out pretty cute. We may come back and put a little small, simple bow back here in the back. Again, definitely not anything to this magnitude, but we may do something small on this one in the back. We'll see. All right, last but not least, let's work on our black and gold. I'm gonna use these. Again, this video is just showing you guys how to incorporate these cute black not mugs, but tumblers that came from Dollar Tree. put something in the middle of the, either gonna be a picture or something. Now this one I'm probably not gonna wrap up because I'm not gonna get up from the table to go and get anything to put there. But so this one is just gonna be simple. I could leave it like that, but I want to put something back there to open it up. So when I get ready to close it up, you guys know why I teach you to put backers in the back of your basket, several different reasons. So we definitely want to put a backer here. And I don't know what color shred I'm going to use. But anyway, this is this one. Minus probably one more item in the back, okay? Cute, cute, cute. Cute and simple. So let's do this bow, baby. Let's do this bow. Y'all know I'm going to come back and show you the finale on this. We probably do a pricing video maybe tomorrow. Then the next couple of days, I got to, because I've got to clear out all of that space back there. I don't know if y'all can see, but I got baskets that I did from last week to this week all sitting back there. So they've got to be put up and put away. So we've got to definitely get those out of the way. So we'll be doing a pricing video within the next day or two. Something, a mosquito, something in here biting me, I can tell you that. Y'all know polka dot is one of my favorite patterns, if not the favorite. I love polka dots, you guys. I forgot which one of my subscribers gave me that. It might have been Driven, I'm not sure. But everybody know I love polka dots. I love polka dots. We're going to incorporate a little bit of mesh with this one. I don't know, I have tons of black and white ribbon. I just had a lot to come in from Miss Shirley. Miss Shirley of Cheryl's Crafts and More. So I'm going to be using this black, honey. And this was just a little half a tube of mesh I had. So I was like, let me just go ahead and mix this with that bow. Just to give it a little bit more dimension. All right, we're going to fluff this bow out and then we're going to be done, y'all. Alright, we're going to end it up with putting our ends. This, I don't like how it cuts on the end. We're just going to do a slant on that one. It ravels at the end. So when I do the ducktail clip on this one, it just ravels. Ravels a little bit with this, but it looks better with the slant or the straight cut versus the ducktail on that ribbon. I don't know what's up with that ribbon. All right. So here we go. Again, okay, girlfriend, just follow over. Anyway, y'all know how I finesse these baskets, so y'all know it's gonna be sitting up right. But this is what it's gonna be, pretty much with whatever I choose to go in the back. And this is gonna be the bow. Bam! All right, guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell, y'all, so that each and every time I upload a video, bam, you will be the first to be notified. Get your money, honey, and fill your bag. To the next video. Bye, y'all.